With your own private cinema, you really can enjoy the full cinematic experience. And this home really is like something out of a movie. Clifton Hall was a renowned stately home with roots dating back to the medieval times, but today stands as one of the region's highest calibre renovations and refurbishments of what was an already stunning Grade 1 listed Georgian home. This is a home full of heritage, opulence and intrigue. I'm Tom DeVille, this is North Wing, Clifton Hall. We've got first-class accommodation set over 4 floors, extending to 10,000 square feet. In my opinion, this is one of the finest homes in Nottingham. The first of the formal reception rooms showcases so many beautiful features, ornate detailing to the ceiling, lovely tall sash windows. These features continue as you enter into the second reception room. There are stunning features in here, but it's also here where you can really see the bespoke cabinetry and joinery that has gone into this property's creation. What's great is the lovely flow of accommodation here. This formal sitting room oozes luxury and gives you a clear reminder that we're here in what was once a stately home. Double doors lead through to the final reception room, providing a stunning space, and I particularly like the antique mirrored glass. For a house of this stature, the kitchen is going to be really important, and this kitchen doesn't disappoint. It's absolutely magnificent. It features the most intricate details, the attention to detail in the cabinetry. It has everything that you would expect from the Clive Christian kitchen, and is the ultimate kitchen for a house of this stature. And then we're straight into this absolutely beautiful orangery. It's a magnificent space. It connects seamlessly back to the kitchen with this unique column design. This space is flooded with natural light with the help of 2 further lanterns and has the most stunning views of the garden. With its layout and design, this really is the perfect place for entertaining. The first floor is accessed via a decorative cantilever staircase, which leads to the first of the principal bedroom areas. The first of which is this beautiful and luxurious principal bedroom. What a bedroom this is. There's further example here of the beautiful fitted furniture which features throughout the home. Completing the suite is one of the finest dressing rooms I've seen. Pocket doors give access to a stunning ensuite bathroom. It complements this luxurious suite perfectly. For those with a young family, we've even got the benefit of a nursery directly off the principal suite. Finally, on the second floor, we've got that incredible home cinema, and then to complete the accommodation, there are 2 further generous bedrooms, perfect for guests, which have their very own high-quality bathroom. The original cellars have been converted to a suite of leisure facilities. This space now provides a home gym and spa facilities with a standard which would easily compete with any luxury spa. And then we've got this, your very own bar. It's an incredible entertaining space and has an external staircase taking you straight into your garden room. The gardens here at the North Wing complement this period property beautifully. They provide formal and less formal areas surrounded by mature hedging with nothing to the rear, providing a sense of real openness but also a really high degree of privacy. North Wing really is an incredible and first-class Nottinghamshire home. It showcases meticulous restoration, retaining all of the historical features you would want to keep, but bringing it fully in line with the 21st century. This really is an incredible home and is absolutely perfect for anyone looking for something beyond the ordinary.